G'day, I'm Tom Spinks. I love barbecue. So we've got some rare breed Berkshire pig ribs, which are really exciting, and we're going to smoke them. So that may somewhat defeat the purpose of them being awesome ribs, but you know what? You got to go quality, and these are really, really cool. They're from a local business, and I'm all for supporting small business. But I'm going to use the lamb rub from Flaming Coals. It's the most unassuming of all the rubs. So it's basically, we're just going to chuck that little rosemary hit, essentially, along with a couple other flavors in there. And you can see I'm being super, super light with them because I'm going to salt them on my own terms. We'll flip them over, and then same deal, just a little bit of salt on them. Ribs. Ribs are good. Ribs are not healthy, but they're fun. Normally I'm pretty light when it comes to rubs and sauces, but ribs, that's my exception, right? Because ribs are cool. So I put a layer of butter down with some maple syrup and Worcestershire sauce. We're basically just going to layer that same combo. We'll get that really cool flavour from the butter and then maple syrup going on. Just keeps them super, super rich. So our maple syrup, just go on like so. And then we're going to make a little rib sandwich. Put that one on top. Do the same. So nice big hit of butter all over them, and then again hit with a bit of maple syrup, get those nice ooziness going on, and a bit of Lea and Perrins, and that goes on just for a bit of salt or a bit of extra flavour. So wrap them nice and neat, a bit like a Prezi, and then once we've got that sort of sealed in there, just fold them over and fold them over again. A nice little package of ribs. The reveal. Okay, this is our ribs. So we did our double stacked ribs with maple syrup and butter and a little bit of Lea and Perrins sauce in there. So we're going to unwrap them. You'll see with the butcher's paper, unlike foil, it holds its structure, so you don't have to tear it apart. You don't have bits of butcher's paper, bits of foil in it. But you can also see that the moisture has stayed in there. So when we unwrap it, oh yeah. When we unwrap it, they should just be swimming in those beautiful, beautiful flavours. Now we hit this with maple syrup and butter, so they're not like your big red, ribby, dripping ones, but they are super fatty. Definitely not that good for you. But we also put on, if you remember, the lamb rub, which is the rosemary. So as soon as I've opened that with the butter and rosemary, you get that big hit of that sort of flavour, which is super cool. So excited to get into these. They should be ultra delicious. Bits of rib falling apart, which is perfect. Let's do it that way. Excellent, there we go. So you get that beautiful, nice bit of rib meat, all soft, is exactly what we want. Happy days.